Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is D. Michelle with Top Notch Designs, and today I'm going to go over a little pull exercise, replacing just the pull and not a slider. As you can see, this one is here and it's broken, and this one is actually missing it completely. So when they get like this, you don't want to replace the whole slider because of this. You can just replace the pull. While it won't be the exact same, it'll still work. So you just take this piece here is rubber. You take these little pliers here and you just cut it. And you cut it right off until it exposes that little piece here. Then you take your new pull. We need one like this. And you slide it through the back here and then through this teeny hole and then back through, and now you got a new pull on there. That way you can zip and unzip your jacket. We'll do it again. We'll take it through here, we'll put it through the little hole, and then we'll tie it through, loop it, and now you got to pull to make your zipper work. So that is how you would replace these particular ones. This is on a spider jacket that had rubber pulls, and because the pulls are old, you can't replace them because, well, they don't carry them anymore because this is a very old jacket, yet it's in exceptionally great condition and you want to still be able to utilize the zipper. So instead of replacing this entire slider here, you just replace the pull so that you can still use it. Same with the regular zipper. The regular zipper has a broken one on there as well. So we're just replacing this on all of the zippers that have the rubber things, because we're gonna even cut off the old ones because they're gonna break anyway, because it's an older model and they just tend to get brittle over the years. But the coat itself is in excellent shape and you want to still be able to wear it because it looks good. So we'll just put that through, and of course I'm having a hard time because I don't have my glasses on. Let me put my glasses on because I can't see you guys and I'm struggling. All right, like so, and there you have it. And that is all. So that's all for this little quick episode, just a quick tutorial on how to replace those pulls on that slider. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a top-notch day. Until next time, bye for now.